Hey there, it's Gayle with BERNINA of Naperville, and look what I've got here. This is the new BERNINA L850. We haven't even gotten training on it yet, but it is so easy to use that I was able to make my video while I opened it and looked at it out of the box. So I'm going to show you a few things about this machine, and hopefully you'll love it. We do have some special offers for pre-orders. But hey, come on and see this. We've got it right here in our special spot right by our cutting table and shining bright in front of our BERNINA shop and shop. The first thing you're going to notice about this great machine is actually the air threading system. It is absolutely error-proof. Air blows it through these little guys and they just spring right out. It's even hard to capture on film because it comes out so fast. Look at that. It just shoots the tube. I tried to get it in slow-mo, but anyway. Now, when you are going to thread it up above, it's pretty easy. You just raise your presser foot, follow these little guides. There's a right needle and a left needle inserted, and the needle threader is even super duper easy to use. And my favorite part is as we're threading the machine and you get everything in line, there's not anything to really floss. Everything is really obvious where the thread goes. And on that needle threader, you have two positions, the left position and the right position. And you just need to move it over a little bit to get it into, the right threading area now that we're doing the left needle there. And then look at this cutter. Oh my gosh, it's just one little switch on the left side of the machine and it brings that cutter up. And now we just went for it and everything was perfectly adjusted. It was really such a beautiful stitch. Now you get this little tin with the machine, and in the tin is my favorite part, which is this plastic piece that clips on, and that is your seam gauge. So you can line this up however much you need to cut off of your material. And it's easy to put on. You just kind of snap it into place like that, and you can move it for however wide the seam allowance would need to be. We moved ours just over a little bit. And there's a cutter on the left-hand side of the machine if you needed that. And now as we guide this under the machine, I'm using the seam guide now so that you can see that. And look at that. I am going to make a t-shirt tomorrow and I can't wait. I am so excited to use this machine. And then I just kept using it. So it's sewing really fast too. I can't wait to get the specs on this. And another thing I also wanted to point out is it uses the BERNINA heel tap feature on the foot control. You just press the heel and it puts those needles down and it brings the needles up again. Well, hope you like this little guy. We hope you come in to see it. And if you want to see more videos where we're using the L850 or some of our other BERNINAs, don't forget to check out our YouTube channel. It's easy. It's BERNINAofNaperville.com. And please, we love to be liked. So like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And if you want, you can share it out. But until then, I'm just going to be glued and mesmerized to this new baby. Thanks for watching.